Okay, so you guys have been given time in class to start to create the second sort of set of these. Okay, so I need you guys to kind of produce that second set of these things. That should not take too long, all right, because I think you did a lot of that in class. I'd like you guys to take an attempt at the third version, which is the sculpted one that you do from the wide sort of version. Okay, and you guys were given a handout to that. Tell you what, just for the heck of it, let's just right now do one of those, of each of these three. And so those are going to sit in contrast to, if I hold this thing up like this, they're going to sit in kind of contrast to each other. Okay, and you can see how they're metamorphosing. Okay, so you'll have 6 of these and only 3 of these. So when you're done with it, you've got 6 and 6 and 3. All right, so that's one aspect of your homework. The second part is just a reminder of what is due on Monday. On Monday, you guys have to have your polygonal forms project built in 2-ply museum board. I will bring up this one, not because it's a great example, but just because it's relatively complete. All right, it has the buses built in white museum board. It has the walls shown. It's got all of the sidewalks and the parking spaces shown, and it's got the people, right? Because if you read your program, the program says that you have to have like 15 people. All right? You don't have to worry about the trees. Please ignore the trees. Okay? But you do have to have a canopy over the bus, and you have to have your terminal building with its entry sort of defined. Now, you guys all had to build a base like this, right? The true test of whether or not you're exceeding the maximum height allowable is going to be when I take another one of these and I put this one over it. Because that distance right there, right, is just barely above the maximum allowable height. Okay? So are there any questions about your homework for Monday?
The scale of the people is 1.
No, 16. Yeah, they're tiny. They're like, I got a little person in here. So there's one of the little guys that you can buy from, and you can see that it's smaller than the tip of my pinky. Okay, so I think they come in a pack of 5 for $1.50 or something like that. So I'll leave that one there so you guys can see. I think it's a her. Huh?
Isn't that a 1/8?
That is not. That is 1/16. I believe it is.
It's like a 1/8.
Oh, is it 1/8? It might be 1/8. I don't know.
Yeah,
Yeah, these are 1/8. Sorry, that's the wrong size. So that is the wrong size. I don't have the little person that's the right size. I had some here, but I don't know where they went. Let me see if I can locate something.
They have them at Carpe Diem.
I don't have the small ones here, but I had some, but they're gone. I don't know where they went. Okay, any questions about what your homework is due? Okay, so I'm giving you guys, I'm not giving you a very heavy homework assignment with this. I'm asking you guys to please do not wait until Sunday to start working on your project. You need to work on it today, a little bit tomorrow morning, then some on Friday, and some on Sunday. You've got, this is a presentation quality model that you guys are producing. Okay? All right? Yes, ma'am?
Is this the one that we present for a final? Or
well, this is a presentation quality model. It's not necessarily the one you're going to present for the final. When we do the final presentation, when we talk, we're probably going to pick some of each of the different kinds of projects. So you know, we'll pick 5 or 6 of one kind and 5 or 6 of another kind. And, yeah. All right. Okay. Have a great Thanksgiving holiday. See y'all. All right. Stop the video.